Hey everybody, this is an HP Photosmart 6520 that we're going to be taking apart today. It is very similar to, pretty much exactly the same as 6510, 6515, 6525, and very similar to HP Photosmart 5510 and 5520 series printers. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into the taking apart. The reason for my taking apart videos is to show, because I work with printers a lot, and I just want to show how to get into the printer. Sometimes it looks very hard to get into, but most of the time it's going to be very simple, and you'll see it in this video here. We're going to use a T10 like we always use in all the videos. All HP printers are going to have the T10 torque screw, size 10 screwdriver tip, and that's what we're going to use. Okay, so we'll just remove the basic things first. The output tray, then this tray, the paper tray. We're going to put the printer on its side and remove 6 screws. Oops. And this, there's one more screw right there. So a total of 7. And this releases this tray. And this gear popped out of somewhere. Over here, make sure you put it back when you are just changing those out. So this is the gear. Okay, we have on this side is the paper pickup roller. And in order to remove it, well, first of all, if you have a paper jam, no paper air, you just clean these and you should be good. But to remove it, you just lift it up, get it out of those. So what you are going to do is you're just going to lift it up like this here, and then on the left side, just going to lift this up. And then when you slide this over, make sure this doesn't pop out, because these gears will just like go out, and then you're just going to slide it out. There we go. This is the paper pickup roller, and this is how it's assembled back. Okay, so we got that one out. I'm going to go over to now the screen. What you do is you just pick it up like this here, and you're just going to slide it to the right, sorry, to the left. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to lift it up like this, and then this bracket, you just need to push it down on the screen side over here, and that releases the screen. Now you're just going to, so after you release this bracket, you just slide it to the right and just disconnect those cords right here. The top cover, it just removes by opening it up and kind of pushing it to the right, so it unclamps here, and then pushing to the left to release this side. To get to the scanner unit inside, what you're going to do is you're going to lift it up, then pull this towards you. A bit of force here, and then this opens up. And we're going to remove all the screws that are around here. There's two right here up front. And there's more here. Remove this piece, and then we can just lift the whole cover. And be careful not to break this. This is where there's a connection here. You just don't want to damage the board. Okay, that's where the print head is, the carriage. And in order to remove the print head, we're just going to need to remove, first let's remove the timing strip. Release it here, and pull it out like so. And then the spring's removed just by pulling the map forward. And now we can remove the print head. And then we have connections in the back that we need to just disconnect. This is the print head. Okay, and then let's remove the formatter board. And disconnect it all as much as we can get into, because there are some connections over there. And then there's screws right here, 2 screws. And after removing those two, that's basically what's holding is this bracket right here. It's holding the printer board. And there's more cords to be disconnected. Just be very careful not to damage it. So this is our board, very simple to replace. The power supply is right here, but it's very easy to get to. It's just on the back right here with 1 screw. You remove this, and here's our power supply. And it's already disconnected from the board, but we can just disconnect it here. And now to get, since we already got in here and disconnected the scanner unit from the main board, this piece is ready to go. And to get inside of this unit, in order to remove or replace the scanner unit, we just remove screws. There's quite a few. After I remove those, we can just lift this piece, but there's clips right here that you just need to press in, and that'll release the plastic. And same thing on this side. You can use a flathead screwdriver or just anything that's just kind of going to release it. And this is where the scanner is. Scanner lamp. And you just release it from under here. So, or you can just disconnect it right here. And replace the scanner lamp. So that's basically as far as we're going to go. If you need to replace the carriage unit, you can also do that by replacing these, removing these springs right here, and then taking some screws out to let it, because the sides don't come out. So you can pull the rod out. You need to just remove a little bit more screws. But this is pretty much it. That's enough for you to open up the printer to change anything, or if you just want to remove the plastic cover that was here in order to look inside the printer and clean it up a little bit, or find a paper jam. Hopefully I was able to help you. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.